Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video. So today we're going to be trying out sock slider. So if you have trouble getting your socks on, maybe you have had an injury or you're pregnant, or just have difficulty doing that, we're going to try the sock slider out today and see how well it works. It can also be used as a shoehorn, but I think it has to be put together, so we'll do that now and then we will try it out. So here's what I've got. I've got a handle. This part of it. This part, you can kind of see where the shoehorn would be, I guess. I guess that snaps into the handle. Some instructions show you how to do it. And then here's the base, and this is rubber. So if you've got like a hardwood floor or vinyl or something, this has got to grip pretty good, I'm thinking. All right, so some pretty clear instructions here with pictures. We have the cradle, we have the sock slider base, and so this will be at the front, and we take the base and we just line it up here in this slot. Or I'm sorry, we take the cradle and line it up to the base. Just like that. There's notches that it should slide into. Another view here. Okay, I'm going to lock it in place. That really snaps in place. I don't think it's going to be easy to get this apart. Okay, so that's really it as far as that goes. Now we take the handle, the shoehorn part here, and then the T handle. Okay, so this will snap in here. Now this is not like a push button. Once you push this into place, it's probably going to be almost permanent. So it is hard to do that. All right, there we go. And that is it for putting a sock slider together. So when we're ready to use sock slider, got our sock, say we're sitting at on the bed maybe, take this handle, see this right here, we will put that into the base, that little lip I showed you earlier, and then we can pull it up and grab a hold of it. So there is instructions for putting your sock on sock slider. So I've played around with it a little. Here's also how you would pull the sock up once you have your foot in the sock. And here is how you can remove the sock. If you're going to use the shoehorn, here's an example of that. Yeah, I've been playing around with it a little bit. Let me show you what I have found that's best for me. I'm going to be, I'm wearing compression socks, so gonna need kind of a snug fit. So let me show you what I've learned. So this will be where your heel is at, and the toe is up here of the sock. So put the heel in the slot and just lay it in there. All right, now these are crew socks. So they kind of go up to the ankle somewhat. They're not quarter crews, but they're kind of long. So what you do, you have your toe sticking out here in the sock, and then you see how I've wrapped it over there. Continue to do that. What I found is I like to try to wrap it over this ledge here, because when I put my foot into sock slider, I want to get my toe as far as I can in the sock. So this will start slipping if you continue to push, and if you have it locked over here, I found that, again, these are longer socks, so you may not be able to do that if you have like a quarter crew or shorter sock. Okay, So yeah, we'll have the foot going in here, and then I can kind of push my way in without this pulling back. Now they don't show that, so I guess a lot of people may wear shorter socks. Let's see how they've stopped about halfway. I brought mine all the way over. So anyway, and then at this point you take and lower sock slider down using your handle to the floor. All right, so yeah, get it positioned where I want it. Just push my foot in there. Now you can also hold the base if you feel you need to. Okay, so at this point, you can take this part of the handle and just pull up like this, and just pull my sock up the rest of the way. Okay. Take a little practice, but that's kind of the idea. So when it comes time to remove your socks, you can take the handle of sock slider. There's two little fork tips here. Take one of those and just put it down in your sock. And there you go, easy to remove. Might not be so easy, there you go. And it's the same here. And yeah, it's a good way to pick it up too. But yeah, at this point you can just grab it, release it. All right, so that's going to be it for using sock slider. Here's everything that I got. Easy to put together. Easy to use. It may take a little bit of practice, but once I think you get the gist of it, then it's just going to be like second nature. So yeah, if you have mobility limitations, injuries, or pregnant, whatever reason, and you just can't bend down, put your socks on that easy. This may be something that'll be helpful to you. Till next time, have a nice day out there. Take care.